Hi everybody, welcome to Ms.Miasha and
Niyah.
microwave cooking class, instructions, whatever you want to call it. Today we will be making microwave
Cornbread.
cornbread. Okay, so first step first, we already washed our hands, but we're just going to take an extra precaution and we're going to sanitize before we start cooking and touching things. The instructions are also going to be provided in the video at a later time, but we'll read them off to you as we go. Instructions. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is make sure we have all of our ingredients, and our ingredients are
Corn muffin mix, 1 egg, some milk,
non-stick frying pan spray, the bowl or the pot that we will use to put the cornbread in after we mix it. To go into the microwave, it has to be microwave safe type bowl with a lid. Measuring cups. The bowl we use to stir the mixture up in. We didn't have a wooden spoon, so we're using a spoon. Last but not least, the oven mitts. You must wear these when you put things in the microwave and when you take them out of the microwave and or oven. So let's get started. First thing first is you put the corn muffin mix in the bowl. And Niyah is going to put the corn muffin mix in the bowl. As you see the bowl, the corn muffin mix. Okay, she can't open it, so let me assist her in opening it. There you go. Now you can open the rest of the way, or you need me to open this too, please. Okay, so I opened it. Now she's going to pour it in. It says, pour it in. All of it must go in the bowl. All of it. Okay, put that aside. Next, we must add half a cup of milk and 1 egg to the bowl. Here's your measuring cup. So this is half a cup right there. She's going to pour that much milk into it. To the one half. To the one, that one. No, a little more. A little more. A little more. Alright, we got it. We got half a cup. We're going to pour it in. And now you must crack the egg. Crack your egg. Okay, she's scared to crack it clearly. Crack the egg. There you go. Now you mix it. Step 3 is to use a spoon to mix well. And she's off. Mixing, mixing, mixing away.
Make sure it's really wet.
When you mix, you're supposed to make sure that you have every bit of the ingredients stirred well. Shouldn't have no clumps and no powder left. It should be all one look, one coat, and one concentration. Make sure you get all the clumps out. Almost like how you make a cake mix. Kind of the same idea. Okay, so it should look something like this. Next, step 4 is spray the glass dish with non-stick spray. So there's the dish, and then there's a non-stick spray. Just a little bit, not a lot. Alright, there we go.
And now,
Then next,
you're going to pour your mixture into the
there we go.
pour the mixture into the dish.
You are to use the spoon to pour mixture into the dish. As you can see, she's using her spoon and she's going to pour away into the dish. Pour it all in. Pour it all in. Pour it all in. You got it? Oh, we got something left over. Let me get it out. Next, you put the lid on the dish. That is step number 6. Step 7 is put the oven mitts on and put the dish in the microwave.
You have to keep the mitts on at all times.
You must keep the mitts on at all times, like she said. And she's going to carry it over to the microwave. There she goes, walking it over to the microwave. She placed it in the microwave. The next step is close the door, press clear. Oh, it's already clear. Press stop or clear. Press stop or clear. Okay, and then you must put time to 4 minutes. So press 4 minutes. And you press start. And we'll wait the 4 minutes and then we'll come back to it. You see? It's on the timer. We have under a minute left. And things are smelling good, going good, and hopefully on the inside it's looking good. From what I can see, it's starting to rise up. So we're gonna give it the last 30 seconds. Twenty more seconds, and then the next step will be to, when the bell rings, put the oven mitts on and remove the dish. So, as you see, Niyah has put her mitts back on. We're waiting the last seconds to remove the dish. You guys ready? Oh! You ready, Niyah? Open it, open it, open it.
Good.
It looks good, yeah. Don't put it to your skin. Don't. Here, you have to turn it, and use this.
Oh.
The handle. Yours got a handle. You can use the handle. You got it. She got it. And back on the table it goes. All right. Now we have to let it sit for 3 minutes. On the timer, we're going to time it for 3 minutes, and then we're going to use the oven mitts again to remove the lid, and then we're going to try it out, you guys. So we'll be back shortly.
So it's been past 3 minutes, and we're going to take off the lid, and we're going to look at the corn.
We're going to try it now, you guys. So let me get a spoon or fork or butter knife or something.
I'm going to check.
Okay, I got a butter knife.
Oh, really?
Found the butter knife, so we're gonna cut it. And we're gonna try it.
I'm going to get a napkin.
Come on, get it out. We're gonna try it. You guys ready? Here, you can get a small piece. I'm gonna try it. It probably tastes better with some butter, but you're not doing all that today. Nice and moist. It's good. I like it. Some butter.
Because I don't like cornbread.
It will be great on top. Yeah, Niyah's not a cornbread eater, so she gonna try it and see what she likes about it. If she likes it or not. You like it?
It's good.
She said it's good, y'all. So I guess we did a good job, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed this little series or episode of Cooking with Niyah and Ms.Miasha. See you guys later.
Bye.